Overnight Repair Serum. This supercharged treatment serum works in conjunction with your natural nighttime recovery process to help repair your skin. It's for dry, dehydrated skin with fine lines and wrinkles and sagging skin that might be dull or lackluster. This product contains many essential oils and plant extracts to help protect your skin from dryness and dehydration and smooth away fine lines. It also contains peptides and seaweeds that stimulate collagen and actually help to promote firmness in your skin. It boosts skin luminosity so you wake up with radiant skin. You can simply press 4 to 6 drops into your skin and smooth over your face. This nighttime treatment can be used alone or blended with your most favorite Dermalogica moisturizer. Visit your local Dermalogica skin center to find Overnight Repair Serum and receive a personalized Dermalogica face mapping skin analysis and your recommended products.